Good morning, students. This video session is for class 2nd students, subject Mathematics, term 3, chapter number 1, and the name of the chapter is Measurement. This is our lecture number 8. Today's topics are addition sums of capacity and subtraction sums of capacity. Now, beta, addition sums of capacity. We will do one example of it. So here we need to write the units of capacity, and that are liters and milliliters. Okay. So here we are adding two numbers. Number one is 45 liters, 527 milliliters, and the second number is 17 liters, 839 milliliters. Now we have to add both the numbers. So we have to start from our right hand side. So beta, here 7 plus 9. So keep 7 in your mind and 9 on your fingers. Now we have to speak forward counting. So let's start. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So here 16 is two-digit answer. So here we will write 6 and 1 will be carryover. Now 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 and 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So here we will write 6. Now 5 plus 8. So keep 5 in your mind and 8 on your fingers. Now we have to speak forward counting. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So again 13 is two-digit answer. So here we will write 3 and 1 will be carryover. Now 1 plus 5, that is equal to 6. Now keep 6 in your mind and 7 on your fingers. So let's start forward counting. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So again 13 is two-digit answer. So we will write 3 here and 1 will be carryover. Now 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 and 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So here we will write 6. So what is the answer? That is 63 liters, 366 milliliters. Understood, beta? Now we will do sums of addition given in your book of page number 18. Okay, so question number 1, add. In A part, it is given liters and milliliters, 6 liters, 250 milliliters, and now we have to add 8 liters, 300 milliliters in this. Okay, so let's start from our right hand side. So 0 plus 0, and that is equal to 0. Now 5 plus 0. When we add 0 to any number, we get the same number. This property follows here. So here we will write 5. Now 2 plus 3. So keep 2 in your mind. Open your 3 fingers. Let's start forward counting. 3, 4, 5. So here we will write 5. Now 6 plus 8. So keep 6 in your mind and 8 on your fingers. Now we have to speak forward counting. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So here we will write 14. So what is the answer? That is 14 liters, 550 milliliters. Okay. Now beta, in B part, again we have liters and milliliters. Now we have to add 18 liters, 180 milliliters and 12 liters, 200 milliliters. So we will put the plus sign. Now we have to start from our right hand side. So 0 plus 0, that is equal to 0. And 8 plus 0 is equal to 8 because we are adding 0 to it. Now 1 plus 2, you will get the next number because we are adding 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. And here 8 plus 2. So keep 8 in your mind and 2 on your fingers. Now we have to speak forward counting. 9, 10. Now you can see beta, 10 is two-digit answer. So here we will write only 0 and 1 will be carry over here. Now 1 plus 1, 2 and 2 plus 1, 3. So here we will write 3. So what is the answer? That is 30 liters, 380 milliliters. Now in C part, we have to add 36 liters, 275 milliliters and 15 liters, 150 milliliters. Okay, now we have to put the sign of plus. Now 5 plus 0. We will get the same number, and that is 5 here. Yes. Now 7 plus 5. So keep 7 in your mind and 5 on your fingers. Now speak forward counting. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here 12 is two-digit answer. So here we will write only 2 and 1 will be carryover. Now 2 plus 1 or 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 and 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Okay, and 6 plus 5. So keep 6 in your mind and 5 on your fingers. Now we have to speak forward counting. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here 11 is two-digit answer. So we will write 1 here and 1 will be carryover. Now 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 and 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So what is the answer? That is 51 liters, 425 milliliters. Okay. Now in D part. 45 liters 520 milliliters, and we have to add 17 liters 100 milliliters. So let's start from our right hand side. So 0 plus 0, that is equal to 0, and 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 5 plus 1, we will get the next number of 5, that is 6. Okay, 5 plus 7. So keep 5 in your mind and 7 on your fingers. Let's start forward counting. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here we will write 2 and 1 will be carryover. Okay, now 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 and 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So what is the answer? That is 62 liters, 620 milliliters. Now in E part. 25 liters 650 milliliters and 70 liters 200 milliliters. Now we have to add both the numbers. So we have to start from our right hand side always, beta. So 0 plus 0, and 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Okay, and 5 plus 0, we will get the number 5 here, and 6 plus 2. So keep 6 in your mind and 2 on your fingers. So let's start forward counting. 7, 8. So here we will write 8. Now 5 plus 0. Again we will get 5. 2 plus 7. So keep 2 in your mind and 7 on your fingers. So let's start forward counting. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here we will write 9. So what is the answer? That is 95 liters, 850 milliliters. Okay, beta. And now you have to do F part. Okay, in F part, liters and milliliters is given. 30 liters 350 milliliters and 20 liters 600 milliliters. Now we have to add both the numbers. So here 0 plus 0, that is equal to 0. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. And 3 plus 6, so keep 3 in your mind and 6 on your fingers. So let's start forward counting. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here we will write 9. 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. And 3 plus 2. So keep 3 in your mind and 2 on your fingers. 4, 5. So here we will write 5. So what is the answer? That is 50 liters, 950 milliliters. Okay, beta. Now you have to do part G and H in your homework. Okay. Now, beta, we will do subtraction of capacity. Okay. So first of all, we will do one example of it. Okay. Liters and milliliters, these are the units of capacity. Now we have to subtract 65 liters 627 milliliters and 47 liters 749 milliliters. Okay, now we will put here minus sign. So we have to start from our right hand side. So here you can see 7 minus 9 is given, and we know that 7 is the smaller number than 9, so we cannot subtract 9 from 7. So what we will do here, beta, to make it bigger number, we have to take borrow here. So the 7 will take borrow from 2, and the 7 will become 7 plus 10, that is equal to 17. So here we will write 17, and this 2 will become 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. So now keep 17 in your mind and 9 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting beta, because we are subtracting the numbers. Okay, so let's start backward counting. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So here we will write 8. Okay, now 1 minus 4, that is again not possible. So here this 1 will take borrow from this 6. Okay, हमेशा बेटा जो बोरो लिया जाता है वो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे जो नंबर होता है उससे लिया जाता है. ओके, सो दिस 1 will become 1 plus 10, that is equal to 11. ठीक है, and the 6 will become 6 minus 1, 5. Now 11 minus 4. So keep 11 in your mind and open your 4 fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. 10, 9, 8, 7. So here we will write 7. Okay. Now 5 minus 7. That is again not possible because 5 is smaller number than 7. So here this 5 will take borrow from this 5. Okay. And this 5 will become 5 plus 10, 15. And this 5 will become 5 minus 1, 4. Okay. So now keep 15 in your mind and 7 on your fingers. So let's start backward counting. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So here we will write 8. Okay. Now 4 minus 7. Again 4 minus 7 is not possible. So here we will take Buru. This 4 will become 4 plus 10, 14. And the 6 will become 6 minus 1, 5. So keep 14 in your mind and 7 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So here we will write 7. And 5 minus 4, that is equal to 1. So beta, what we have observed by it, कि when we take borrow, ठीक है, then we will add 10 to the number. And when any number gives borrow, then he or that number subtract 1 from it. ठीक है, जो नंबर बोरो लेता है वो अपने आप में 10 ऐड करता है और जो नंबर बोरो देता है वो अपने में से 1 माइनस करता है. अंडरस्टूड बेटा? Now we will do sums of subtraction of capacity of your book. Question number 2, subtract page number 18. So let's start. In A part, liters and milliliters are given. 55 liters 620 milliliters and 15 liters 200 milliliters. Now we have to subtract. So we have to start from our right hand side. So 0 minus 0, that is equal to 0. And 2 minus 0, that is equal to 2. 6 minus 2. So keep 6 in your mind and 2 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. 5, 4. So here we will write 4. 5 minus 5. We are subtracting the same number, so we will get 0 here. Okay. 5 minus 1. We are subtracting 1 from 5, so we will get the previous number of 5, and that is 4. So what is the answer? 40 liters 420 milliliters. Okay. Now in B part, again liters and milliliters are given. 65 liters 750 milliliters and 45 liters 300 milliliters. Now we have to subtract both the numbers. So let's start from our right hand side. 0 minus 0, that is equal to 0. And 5 minus 0, that is equal to 5. 7 minus 3. So keep 7 in your mind and 3 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. 6, 5, 4. So here we will write 4. 5 minus 5, that is equal to 0. And 6 minus 4. So keep 6 in your mind, 4 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting. 5, 4, 3, 2. So here we will write 2. So what is the answer? That is 20 liters 450 milliliters. Now in C part. Again liters and milliliters are given. 72 liters 650 milliliters and 15 liters 450 milliliters. Now we have to subtract. So let's start from our right hand side. 0 minus 0, that is equal to 0. And 5 minus 5, that is again equal to 0. 6 minus 4, so keep 6 in your mind and 4 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting. 5, 4, 3, 2. So here we will write 2. Now 2 minus 5, that is not possible. So what we will do, we will take borrow here and this 2 will become 2 plus 10, that is equal to 12. And this 7 will become 7 minus 1, 6. So keep 12 in your mind and 5 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So here we will write 7. And 6 minus 1, we will get the previous number of 6 and that is 5. So what is the answer? That is 57 liters, 200 milliliters. Now in B part. Again liters and milliliters are given because these are the capacity. These are the units of capacity. Okay. 80 liters 950 milliliters and 25 liters 440 milliliters. Now we have to subtract these numbers. So let's start from our right hand side. 0 minus 0, that is equal to 0. 5 minus 4, that is equal to 1. 9 minus 4, so keep 9 in your mind and 4 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting. 8, 7, 6, 5. So here we will write 5. Now 0 minus 5, we know that it is not possible. So here this 0 will take borrow and it will become 0 plus 10, that is equal to 10. And this 8 will become 8 minus 1, that is equal to 7. Okay, now keep 10 in your mind and 5 on your fingers. So let's start backward counting. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So here we will write 5. And 7 minus 2, keep 7 in your mind, 2 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting. 6, 5. So here we will write 5. So what is the answer? That is 55 liters, 510 milliliters. Now in E part. 45 liters 530 milliliters and 25 liters 400 milliliters. Now we have to subtract the numbers. So let's start from our right hand side. 0 minus 0, that is equal to 0, and 3 minus 0, that is equal to 3. 5 minus 4, that is equal to 1. 5 minus 5, that is equal to 0. And 4 minus 2, keep 4 in your mind and 2 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. 3, 2. So here we will write 2. So what is the answer? That is 20 liters, 130 milliliters. Now in F part, again we have liters and milliliters. Okay. And we have numbers 78 liters, 500 milliliters and 22 liters, 330 milliliters. Now we have to subtract both the numbers. So let's start from our right hand side. 0 minus 0, that is equal to 0. And 0 minus 3, that is not possible. So here this 0 will take borrow from this 5. And it will become 0 plus 10, that is equal to 10. And this 5 will become 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4. Now keep 10 in your mind and 3 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. 9, 8, 7. So here we will write 7. 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. Now 8 minus 2. So keep 8 in your mind and 2 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. 7, 6. So here we will write 6. And 7 minus 2. Keep 7 in your mind and 2 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. 6, 5. So here we will write 5. So what is the answer? That is 56 liters, 170 milliliters. Now beta, today's homework, you have to do this homework in your book only. Okay, do question number 1 and 2, parts G and H. Okay, given on page number 18 in your book. ठीक है, आपने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का जी और एच पार्ट और क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का जी और एच पार्ट जो है अपनी बुक में ही करना है, बिकॉज वी हैव डन टुडे ए टू एफ पार्ट्स ऑफ बोथ द क्वेश्चंस एंड यू हैव टू डू पार्ट्स जी एंड एच ओके एट योर होम. ओके बेटा. Now beta, I am going to show you homework sums of page number 18 which you have to solve in your book. Okay. Question number 1, add part G. Liters and milliliters are given. 43 liters 311 milliliters and 38 liters 258 milliliters. You have to add both the numbers. And in H part, 65 liters and 284 milliliters. And you have to add 33 liters 796 milliliters. Okay. And in question number 2, subtract. You have to do G and H part of this also. Liters and milliliters are given. 56 liters 325 milliliters and 52 liters 523 milliliters. You have to subtract both the numbers. And in H part, again liters and milliliters are given. 77 liters 111 milliliters and 33 liters 222 milliliters. Okay beta. Now beta, homework discussion of lecture number 7. Okay, I had given you questions of thoughts of page number 17, B and C parts. So first of all, we will discuss B part. Read the questions and take the most suitable for each. Okay, here in B part, it is given, Mom is making milkshake for Shivani and Arun. How much milk should she buy? So what do you mean by it, beta? कि मॉम ने मिल्क शेक बना रही हैं शिवानी और अरुण के लिए, तो वो कितना मिल्क परचेज करेंगी कि वो दोनों बच्चे जो है मिल्क शेक पी सके. ठीक है बेटा. तो जब हम किसी ग्लास के अंदर क्वांटिटी डालते हैं तो हमारी 200 से लेकर 300 के बीच में क्वांटिटी आती है 1 ग्लास के अंदर. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे मिल्क शेक 2 बच्चों ने पीना है, सो वी रिक्वायर्ड 500 मिलीलीटर मिल्क. ओके. सो मोम will buy 500 milliliter milk for that. Okay. So we will take 500 milliliter. It is sufficient for 2 people. So here we will write the answer 500 milliliters. Okay beta. Now in C part, Amit is thirsty. Which packet of juice should he buy? बेटा अमित जो है वो उसको प्यास लग रही है और वो अपने लिए जूस लेना चाहता है, तो उसे कौन सा पैकेट जूस का लेना चाहिए. ओके. हियर ऑप्शंस आर 200 मिलीलीटर्स, 1/2 liters and 1 liter. So बेटा 1/2 liters means here 500 मिलीलीटर्स, क्योंकि 1 लीटर में 1000 मिलीलीटर्स होते हैं, तो हाफ लीटर में कितने मिलीलीटर्स होंगे? 500 milliliters. Okay. So here, because only one person wants to drink juice, that's why 200 milliliter juice is required here. Okay. So he will buy 200 milliliter juice. So here we will take this 200 milliliters. So what is the answer? That is 200 milliliters. Understood beta? Thank you.